Yeah, huh? What are you doing? I said, what are you doing here?
I put a drink on for you.
For what? Eh? Please, you just have to leave here now. I don't want to be seen with you in my office like this, please.
Oga, no fear.
I do not want people to see you here. Please, just go.
Oga, calm down. I represent. You know, sir, I wear pink and white, my favorite color. I couldn't raise my nyash up as I come. I carry my nyash up as I waka, and the waka with self-esteem.
Do you realize that my wife just died? And I don't want to be seen carrying girls, messing with girls around. Go and go with this food, please.
Oga, which kind of talk come be that one? No, partiality don't enter inside. Doctors no bring food for you, you chop am. Abi, okay, you like doctors, you don't come like me. I no find rich, Abi. Now what do you want to
I am still mourning my dead wife. Please go. Yes, she brought the food, I ate it because of my daughter. Okay? You just have to go now, please. You see, Dorcas is even more reasonable and sensible. But as for you, oh God, you make me speechless.
I make you speechless. Speechless, that one suits me.
Hey, stop. Does it look like I'm playing with you or something? Go without me, I don't want it. What kind of rubbish is this? What's going on? Hey, Chibo.
Where you dey come from? Where you carry your goat leg dey come from? Eh? Where you go? Eh? For your mind now you get sense. Ebe kiss you.
If you mind your business for one day, if you mind your business, you go pay me.
Why I go mind my business? Eh? Why I go mind my business? So tell me now, where you go? You carry food to go give Oga, no be so. Now your strategy be that. You want take food, wound them, make you from food meander enter inside the heart. No be so. You go tell me you chop am.
Don't come up for here. You get bad attitude too much. Such though they laugh wicked, so laugh.
Get the sense now. Get the small sense, Ekwano. You see that be your big problem. You get big head, but sense no the inside. Okay. You know, sir, I never tell you before. I never tell you since I like Oga. Abi? No wahala. Today I did do true confession. You see Oga? I like her. Hey! I like everything concerning that man. No.
Dorcas.
In fact, make I know lie to you. I won't make him make me wife. Yes. But you see that man, his wife just die. Yes, his wife just die. And this wife, what we they talk about? No be stranger. Na person wey me and you know. Respect the dead is small. Then allow the man to mourn before you go carry your left leg enter inside.
You no respect the dead? Not be you. Why you no respect dead? This advice you dey give me, give yourself first. Make you advise yourself. You carry food, go give Oga first. You respect the dead wife before you dey go. You dey here dey talk to me.
Me and you no go for the same
So finally, you don open up now say you love Oga abi?
Yes.
Dorcas! Dorcas! Avoid me for where Oga dey o. I go jam you o. I go jam you o.
You chop the food. Why you dey dodge the question? He chop the food. See as you dey. Okpofuri. I don't blame you. No sense at all. No, go now. Because I give Oga food, you too, you jump like a one hour, go give him food. Ngwane kwa na aka na tipa buaja. Game on. Game on, I got fish here.
Allow me pass now.
Where you dey pass?
Allow me now. What you want pass? Your problem now.
Come on here.
What is your problem? What is your problem? Tell me now. See problem.
Which nonsense problem?
Ladies, please, just chill out.
Ah!
Chill. I mean, we should just look forward to take care of him in his drunken state and not what you are doing.
See you. I no go gree make this alero reach where Oga dey. This one way I no correct. If I allow him reach where Oga dey, this one he go chop am raw, take advantage of the man because he dey is the way he take dey no good. I know am very well.
See what this girl dey talk.
Come on there.
Say me go chop Oga.
You go chop am raw.
See this girl. See rubbish this girl dey talk. Now wetin dey your mind you dey try make put for my mind. Bang to send her. Nothing what I want do. The only thing what I want do be say I just want my carry Oga go inside room, baff am, rub and powder for the important places where they everybody go make cool them your tongue. You understand? Everybody go cool. Then he go come out for the condition wey in dey. That's all. That's all.
Did I hear you correctly?
You see what I dey tell you? Sure you dey hear am? I tell you say this girl no get sense. See you be a girl o.
Which kind talk come be that one? I know they like this kind of rubbish show. See, Sammy, if you dey doubt me say na bad thing I want to, come me and you go upstairs. Mo go inside room, lock ourselves. I go bath you, rub you powder for your important places. Then make everybody dey cool for your body. Make you see whether I go touch you.
Did you say that to me?
I dey say it to you now before I go. You get who I want say it to?
You be a girl o.
What's happen?
Then take man swear for you.
Without man for life for sweet.
Jeez.
You don't understand that man they make life sweet.
You don't spoil finish.
You too.
God. Which kind of nonsense? Come on. You think I go wound you for here. Me and you know they play. You dey mad? Something they worry you. Person go see as you dey now they go think say you get sense.
Wait.
I know you blame you.
Wait.
You see you are not blaming.
Can you listen?
Now condition I make crayfish like
I beg you go sit down make I hear. You don't touch anyhow. And you don't say me.
Don't you listen?
We dey here.
What is going on? Why?
As I tell you, you na Oga friend na you be. Me, I dey live for this house with all of them. I know how all of them dey do. This goat wey don dey plan since. Now Oga don come keep himself for am. If I leave this goat make e dey with Oga, 1 minute you go give Oga belle.
Continue to dey talk rubbish for your mouth.
Come on here.
Not me not tell me follow me whether I go see whether such a thing go happen. Come on for here.
When you no get sense, when you no get sense,
they go do your work.
you no go
Which can make I do my
work. Go
take care of Oga my work.
Go
You go take care of pikin when I test me, take care of.
Okay. I have an idea. This is what we're going to do. Since both of you are dragging who's going to take care of your boss, this is what we're going to do. All of us are going to take him to his bedroom. Both of you will clean him up. Just take him out of this miserable state that he is. Bathe him, clean him, do whatever you want to do. But I will be there to supervise.
You go there.
Yes, I will be there to monitor.
Monitor.
Make I go check wetin this person dey do.
You go check. Now you want check. Me want go check food where.
Which food wey you
Man,
dey
go
cook? No, which food wey you dey cook?
Which one?
Me, I wan go check wetin Benita dey do.
You can mind one check.
Take care of Oga there.
Are you good for that food?
I go win this one. You are who dey smile. You see smile for my face. Present yourself.
You were just passing by. Remember me? I carried you where the storm was coming.
Oh boy.
I held you close.
Oh boy.
It got so big. I could hardly reach.
Sorry. What's up? How are you feeling today? Terrible. I feel so terrible right now. I must have had a lot of drink yesterday that I can't even remember the event of yesterday. All I could remember is that I was hot. I can't even remember what happened.
Yes, you had a lot of drink. You had a lot. But you'll be fine. I am very certain you will be fine. But I am just worried. I'm worried about you finding yourself in the middle of those your overzealous domestic staffs. That's the only thing.
What are you talking about?
To put it nicely, actually. Your domestic staffs, they are doing a good job. I feel they love you, like they're taking care of you, they're doing what they ought to do. But to a point, I feel like too much of that might put you in trouble someday, or even hurt you.
Sonny, you're speaking figuratively. Should I be worried? Is there something that happened when I was drunk that you're not telling me?
You should not be worried, but I feel we should be concerned about you. Your domestic staffs, if you ask me, I feel like they have an agenda. Yes. You have to look out for yourself. Just my opinion, but I strongly feel so.
And why are you still standing there?
Oga, no vex, I no go come up for you. You know the green eat since. See you. You don't depreciate, demarciate. In short, you don't less. You go eat this food for my presence. I know they come out. No vex if I disobey you, sir.
What's the meaning of this?
Look, what be the meaning of this?
My friend, keep quiet, dear. Oga, no vex, I beg. No chop this food.
Why?
This girl put something for inside the food. Something like voodoo.
Food?
And how did you know this?
Oga, I did there. I see the way she dey look the food with evil eye. As you just dey put am for your mouth, she can't dey shake mouth like say she dey do incantation. Now that time my mind tell me say the food no pure.
Me open my mouth, God forbid me. What poison?
What's the evidence you have about the things you're saying?
Oh, tell me. Which evidence you get?
My friend, go ask that Oga. Now because say you don't know this girl and you don't know the kind of thing where she fit do. And they tell you say this food no pure. Now make I say like I no go there here. You go chop something where no good.
Dorcas, you the craze me.
Now you the craze because
you know the hear what? Oga sack this girl. This girl no guesses. You see this line when you like yes.
Do you know what? You people cannot be a threat to my sanity. I think I have to sack both of you.
Jesus.
No.
Yes, I think I have to sack both of you.
Oga, sorry. Oga, sorry. Oga, no vex. Oga, this girl no get sense.
No, now you no get sense.
Get problem.
Now you no get sense.
You see the reason I should sack you.
Oga, sorry. Oga, no vex.
I am talking, you're still talking. Why are you touching me? Why are you touching my chest?
I just want to calm your nerves. I want me your temper cool.
No, you both of them, I know I'm sacking you.
Jesus.
No.
Oga, sorry.
That's not what will stop me.
You don't go feel beg. I tell them that they beg, okay? You don't look bad eye.
They crazy.
Get out of this place. Get out of this place.
Okay, that's where you get that.
Both of you.
Oh, they come.
Get out!
Which goats?
Now me, wait. Dorcas.
Larry. Oh boy. You are gradually becoming a drunkard. Just look at what you have done. Huh? Why?
I've called you here to be my designated driver, not my counselor.
Larry, what is the problem? Because it has become a habit of yours that whenever you have a challenge, that is when you get to drink this much. So what is the problem?
Those people I have in my house, those my housemates, they're driving me crazy. Yes. I don't know, there's this competition they're having within themselves that I know nothing of. I don't actually know the price of what they are dragging. I don't know what they're competing for. I'm yet to know that. There's something going on within them.
Larry, is it that you have suddenly become slow? You are the prize. Yes, you are the reason they are fighting themselves. And I'm sure they must have even had a bet among themselves that whoever wins becomes the next madam of the house.
No, it's not me. It's not me. Maybe they're sleeping with the same man, which they are fighting for. Yeah, but definitely not me.
Well, for now, you can use that to calm yourself down and give yourself false hope. But I believe you are the one. And in a very short period of time, the truth will be there staring into your eyes. Oh boy, your maids are in love with you. They're in love with you. It's not obvious. I think you've had enough already. Use water. Calm yourself.
Nobody told me you were just passing by.
Because of this your bad character, you want me to sack the two of us from this place, Abi? If not be still finish, what's it gonna make you get audacity to call Knack put for that?
If they pain you, Abi? If they pain you, Abi? If they pain you, say I destroyed that your evil plan. You wear your eye not correct before. You think I no? I know say you don't tell where you dey plan to put Oga inside bottle, but you no go work. Because as you see me so, now me be Oga guardian angel.
You say what?
You no fit do bagam where I dey. You no fit try am.
You?
Yes.
Oh, Alera don't suffer. You be Oga guardian angel.
Na me.
God know you. Not talk of so can't give you position of guardian angel. See this expired witch, oh. Because your strategy now don't spoil. Now you want to use your own, spoil my own.
Mama, strategy. I no need that, mo. I no need that. Shebi they see as they do you vroom for your eye. Eh? Everything where you they see what they happen now. Now so God ordain now. Now my destiny be that. Make I shock you. You see Oga. Now me get am. Hey, I don't call up your God. Tete, I go love him. I go take care of him. And nothing where you feed too. Even as he don't go finish, come back. Now make I station here. Because I don't trust you. Make you not carry this your evil crooked leg waka like Bruce. Enter inside, go give him something to chop. You no get sense.
Look at me.
Who you be?
Bet and Kwamu bet.
Which bet?
Kwamu bet now, I swear to Kwamu bet, just hit me bet now.
Okay.
Kwamu bet! Kwamu bet!
I don't bet. You go. No, lie, not this one. Eh? Yes, so. Hey! Chineke me. You look my leg.
No, I know they look your leg.
You look my leg now. I see you.
I know they look your leg.
Oh, yeah.
I know they look your leg.
Chineke. Eh. Hold on, dear. Make I see you. Waka Chineke. If they burn you, right? Pass here. If I know, come out your leg.
sorry for our loss. My sister was a good woman, and nobody's ever going to take her place in our lives.
You don't mean that? It's over 3 months now. You've just come condolence for your sister's husband and daughter. Why, Sarah?
You know, I'm not big on excuse. It took me a lot to be here. It's better late than never. Or do you want me gone?
I don't know, but it's bad. It's just so bad that you're the only family and you just showed up now, and not even when we needed you most. That's not nice at all.
I'm sorry about that. That's why I've come to be with my family. Please. I'm sorry.
I see how your niece was so happy seeing you. Anyway, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Get your things inside. It's okay.
Since when her sister buy, she no come. Man, now she dey carry her 2 left leg, they come here. If she no be bad person, what is she dey find by this time?
You no expect say she no go come. Now her sister die now. And that her sister leave a small pikin behind. So she go come see the pikin where she live. No be so. What thing she supposed to do be that?
I be thinking like that, sha. But something they give me pressure now. The fight for Oga's heart na between me and you. Only you save na 10% in one. Only you they give me temperamental membrane problem. I know they fit even coordinate with you. It remains small for they get conversion because of you. Where they think strategy to beat you. I know want me another rival come. That one I know sure say I go fit survive.
I beg you, make I hear word. That girl where you see so, she dey like person where go take for here. Eh? As you dey see am, he dey like person where get handwork, where they do something. So she not go fit stay. But 1 day, 2 days, she don't come out.
Abi?
Now, only the wig where dey her head show say she get wetin she dey do. And see the bag is small. 2 slippers, 2 jeans, na im go dey inside. She not go take am come live with us now.
And she go get boyfriend. Her boyfriend fit dey call her and say, baby, come back, sharp. You know, fit stay in my house that much.
Why it be say everything where dey your head now, man? Anytime where you dey, na only man, na you dey think how you go colobi man, how you go thief man, how you go snatch man. Waiting.
Dorcas, now you dey talk like this. With that man, life was sweet.
Huh?
Now you dey talk like this. How life will be with that man? Ha! Dorcas, you sef know. You dey talk that kind of thing. Man will go hold you.
I beg you, no hold me. Without man, no. Yeah, just say for that. Without man.
What's happen now? It's okay. It's okay.
Sorry.
What is wrong?
Jeez.
What is wrong with this girl?
Well, my sister, calm down. Shh. No panic. When you go panic now, when you give me the answer, what different? Calm down. Sister, I bet you say by now you supposed don't go your papa's. You know, I think say this kind of journey where you come a 2 days journey, then you go back to your man, your boyfriend, you know, the man of your life. I don't know what you there they do. I mean, you know, go as soon as possible. No, feel free to talk to me. Feel free.
Well, I've come to stay. Do you have a problem with that?
Jesus. Sister Sharp, Jesus. Don't do that kind of thing. You have come to stay with?
With my family, of course.
God forbid, but fire! Don't speak that kind of thing. That spirit in you should be out. What will be the meaning of that one, sister? You want to stay for which house? No, wait. Calm down. I understand. You dey fear. Say we no go fit take care of your sister pikin abi. No worry yourself, You just say me and Dorcas we dey here dey play. Now experience will be, even when your sister there, like she dey leave her pikin meow come out. Now we dey take care of her. So no fear. When you go back to your work, or you want miss your work, see they pay your salary. You they know they pay your salary. Your life go your day pause for you. They go your ass.
Are you normal? Are you sure you're normal? You know what? Just shut up. I have some ground rules here. Stay on your lane and don't cross my path. Do you get that? Did you hear me?
So you must stay on my lane, Abi?
Yes.
No problem.
Where are you going with the drink?
You say must stay on my lane.
Alero. She dey drink herself.
Dorcas! Dorcas, come on, the best way you go take. You go no.
What just happened? This girl is not normal, no. You see what my sister has been dealing with all this while? You know, bring that drink. Come.
Sister, they get them from America. Here, make una chop. I no fit poison anybody for this family. Hey? Say I get bad character or I dey do any, I no mean say I can't be evil person. God forbid. I don't stay with this family for years, oh. And I don't talk to my family. Why I go want kill my family?
My dear, trust is too risky. Those people that were killed by their helps, were they considered strangers? No. If you want us to eat this food, you have to take a spoonful.
Eh?
Yes. Take a spoonful.
Make I eat. Oh, you see say I dey fear food while I cook.
Eat it.
They do you like film now. See, I don't dey miss am. May you notice say.
Why you What is wrong with this girl?
Channel.
Go keep that meat.
I don't stop everything. I swallow. Nothing to me. I know the fear. Now let me rest now.
I am just trying to be precautious.
Do you really have to go this far? Do you? She has been with us in this family for a long time now, and we're still with her. We are safe with her. You just have to go this far.
Friends today, enemies tomorrow. Never say never. I mean, I'm just trying to protect my family. You and Benita are my most priority in this house.
Micheal.
My friend, will you get out? You can go. Please, let's eat.
Father, we bless this food in Jesus' name.
Amen.
She's a nice person. She loves her like her own. And I'm so lucky having her as a nanny for Benita. She made it easier for Benita to recover very fast from my wife's death. And she has been a solid support system for Benita.
Just like a mother, right?
Yeah, just like a mother. She perfectly fits in. She's an angel.
You say you want to see me?
Yes. I've seen how hard you've been working. And I think you need a time off.
Hmm?
Yes.
I'm not complaining, no. And they enjoy to take care of Benita. And they enjoy taking care of her very well. So, me, I don't need that break. Oh. I don't need them at all.
You know, I'm not disputing the fact that you're doing your job well. I can see it. It's all over. It's everywhere. The fact is that I need alone time to bond with my niece. That's all I'm asking.
How you go want make person come out before you and... I don't understand that.
That would have been good. But Benita might not be able to cope in the absence of Dorcas. You know, since the death of her mother, she has actually gotten used to being around Dorcas. But can't you bond with Benita if Dorcas is here?
Of course I will. I mean, I have to consider Benita's comfort. I'm only asking for a little privacy, that's all.
Oh, thanks for understanding.
I understand that Dorcas has been doing her job. I'm only trying to make up for lost time.
It's okay.
Can you?
See this. This is somebody's house. And the person didn't know. He's trying to enter the wardrobe.
Go upstairs, okay?
Okay, Auntie.
Benny, I'll see you later, okay?
Okay.
I told Sammy you're around. And he can't stop talking about his encounter with you. He would love to see you. And I think you want to meet him.
By that you mean we should go on a date? What if I don't feel this Sammy of a guy?
Sammy is a good guy. And he's so crazy about you.
I think I know a better man. He's a little bit complicated, but he's a man I want to spend the rest of my life with.
And if I may ask, who is this guy? Do I know him?
Of course you do. I met him before he saw my elder sister. And he was blown away like someone under a spell. And ever since then, he never cared if I was hurting or not. You know what? Enough of the tension. You need to relax, okay? I'll give you a massage.
Oh my God, this feels so good. Oh, please, just continue, don't stop. Oh. Oh, this is so good. So, you chill. I am trying to talk to you. Say something now. What did she say? How do I put this now? Okay. She ended up taking me into the lanes of memory.
Did she talk about the time you guys had even while you were married to her sister?
She spoke about time. Even before I married the sister. And she talked about destiny, of faith, being rewritten, and asked if I was aware of it. I was confused.
Larry, she still has feelings for you. It is obvious. I mean, she did not just visit you or just came to see how you're faring. I think she wants a part of your life. Yes?
She can't be wanting that. She can't. I'm married to her sister. She can't be having feelings for me. No, she can't.
Okay, let us check this out. She's shooting her shots at you. What does this tell you? She still wants you. You have told her that there is a man who is very interested in her. Not once have I sent you to her, not even twice, not even 3 times. And all of this fell on deaf ears. She doesn't care. All she wants is you. Can't you see it?
See, you can't continue to call me. Allow me to focus on what I came here for. That way you'll be able to get what you want and I'll get what I want too. Yes. Please just give me time. Stop calling me so you don't put me in problem, please. Please, we'll talk later. We'll talk later, please. Bye-bye.
Can see this girl get what she dey hide for this house. He dey say, let me complete what I came to do. I'll call you back. I'll call you back. What he just dey pay me now be say, na Oga and Benita just dey pity. I dey tell you. I tell Dorcas this thing o. I tell Dorcas say this girl, I don't trust her. Trust her, but Dorcas don't go hear me. Wait now, make I go tell her what I hear. Wait till this thing when she go complete. Give me the party. Because as she see me, she just shock. Naturally, the person see me. Dorcas! Where Dorcas? Dorcas!
I suggest we send Benita to a ballet school. I mean, it teaches good discipline of body and mind. With that, she will take some things off her mind.
Yeah, it's a good idea, but I don't think she's ready for it now, okay? Sending her away from the families, it's not that good suggestion. Okay. Sarah here is suggesting we send Benita to a ballet school. Do you think it's the right time to send her away from the family?
No, sir. No be the right time at all. Oga, you know what's in the happen. And the reason where that girl they cope now na because she dey see people wey she know. If you carry and come out from here, come put am with strangers, you go begin affect them. So, no be the right time to come out her from this house, I beg.
You've heard it. At least she knows Benita too well, you know. She's the one working with Benita, so she can tell more. So, case closed.
It's okay. I understand. I was only trying to suggest something, but it's fine. I mean, staying around people that love her will make her feel better. That's okay. I'll be now. You know, you're not to be underestimated. You're not just an ordinary nanny. You're going for something.
I beg you. I don't understand what you they talk. Forget say I dey here they help a little sweep. My main work for this house now to take care of Benita. And everything where you see me they do, I just they do and for her happiness.
No, you want something more. Yeah, of course. You want something. I see all your strategies. And somehow Larry manages to seek your opinion before he does anything for his daughter. That is the work of a mother. Not for a nanny having such influence over a man and his daughter.
Maybe because the man gets eyes and the man they see well. And the man they see say I did take care of his daughter very well. Because now me and that pikin now we dey date together all the time. I know everything we concern that girl. I know what she like and what she not like. So maybe she in the see him now, I be in blind.
So that is why you want to use his daughter and scheme your way into his heart.
Eh?
Is that why you're doing what you're doing? But see, let me tell you, you must have been doing that before I came here. But you see now that I'm here, that rubbish will stop. Did you hear me? It will never repeat itself. I'm talking to you and who are you doing that one for?
That one concern you. Now waiting you they do, now you think say another person they do. Yes, I feel your money a corner. See, make I tell you. My work here now to take care of that pikin, and that is it. I beg, give me chance to make I walk.
Let's see how you succeed in this house.
This cheese, let me keep follow me come market.
This thing where Sarah they do, you know they bother you. You know she say na style she they use to make she kick us come off from the house.
No, now you she want to come out. No make her look like say na me she dey find. Now you, so okay. No be my problem.
No, if she kick me out finish, who go be next? No be you. You know she say she the eye oga. You know she just they look for ways to come out so that she go get oga by herself.
Ah, true. Oh. Now make she want make us useless. Make she just make us useless for that house.
Exactly.
Very soon now she go enter my territory, come dey cook.
Oh, thank God you know what I dey talk now.
No, affliction will not rise again the second time.
Ah.
I bet come what we go do. Come tell me what we go do.
If you ask me.
Look at your cheeks. Eh? Must have been a chubby little boy when you were a baby.
That a cook just a form romance with Oga. So this girl just carry her two left legs come this house, make she collect her sister husband. Her sister we don't die.
You know this here.
And now I confirm say dead people no get power. Because if na me be that her sister, I fall down from land of the dead, tear her better slap.
You know see as body they do a kwaza. It don't want me the man touch this hot body, make the man piaya.
Chineke. Jero, you want kiss him? But why you gonna even shake him body self like say woman dey near him?
I dey send this girl thunder from my village.
I dey mix the one from my village to your own. Ikata boy. Yes. My mistake.
That's all.
Alero! Why did you throw this thing here? Yeah, come and pick it. Right now. I said you come and pick this.
Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere.
Come and pick this thing. Are you ma...
No. Yes, stay there. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Hi.
You look so cute. You're going to make me love you man on corporate outfits.
So they used to flatter men on suit?
I don't flatter. I mean, I'm even wondering how I was able to stay away from you all these years. Maybe because of my sister.
Why are you telling me all this?
Because I never stopped loving you.
Oga, See mosquito.
Mosquito?
Yes, mosquito. Okay.
Hey, stop. Is it dead?
Almost something like that. Okay, now your chest be this.
No, not your chest. Excuse me.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, thank you.
Busybody.
Ooh. Oh. Nyang, nyang, nyang. Oga chest just be like bomo. Ooh. I gotta go wash my hands. Ooh.
Nobody told me you were just passing by.
Please. See, I'm doing everything I can. And I can't move too fast, so I don't risk being caught. And you won't get what you want. Please, just give me like, let's say 3 months. Yes. Please, 3 months is not too much. Just give me time here. See, I'm going to move everything to the next level. Yes. Please, be patient with me, please. I beg you. Okay. Okay. All right.
Who should they talk to? Hey, this person where should they talk to? They shake like shaky daddy. Hey, you be like say the person they blackmail am. The person they blackmail am. But to which plan she come dey talk say she go move up. Hey, I hope say she know they come for my job because now that one now go make me vex. Hey, manager, this kind call. Now him be say Oga and Benita, they need help. They need help. The way where they see this girl, she dey on a very dangerous mission for this house. But me, I got my eyes on you. You no go try am for this house because I got my eyes on you.
I want you and your partner to go spend the week with your family.
I don't understand. That's who. Our instructor will be waiting. I be say like as in how? Say na Christmas holiday, New Year or Easter. We don't stay here for years. We never go any holiday. So why you gonna tell us our family know they complain? So where this one they come from?
Alero, I need time to bond with my family. Most especially my niece. And I cannot do that with you two overzealous maids hovering around me.
Oh, now you can't tell me the reason. You want bond. The bond where they bond. Madam, we there for your road. Bonding with Pekin, I understand. But Oga, why you want bond with Oga? You know bond with her when your sister they alive. Now your sister don't meme. Now you want to bond with your husband. Sister, can you tell me the reason behind it?
Are you normal?
Gist me.
Is this why am I even wasting my time talking to
your
you?
idea. Say your idea where you got it. With your flat breast waiting they come. Says you expose your body. See, man, I tell you, sister, if they compare my breast with your breast won't reach anywhere. My breast gallant, but I don't dey expose her. But you see your open breast, Oga no still send you. Now you want send us for 1 week holiday. We no beg you, Oga no go agree.
You are mad. Larry, can you please back me up with this? I've already told you the reason why I need privacy.
I have no objection whatsoever. Sarah here is just asking for 1 week, and I think if we can cooperate with her, it will not be bad. Okay? I know how much you love your job, but I assure you, you still have it.
Okay, now you talk this thing.
You heard me, right?
Any problem? You heard him.
Are you saying Sarah has asked all your employees to go on a compulsory 1-week leave so she can spend time with Benita?
That is what she said. And I dare not object.
Man, what is going on? Are you having feelings for your late wife's sister? Do you find her attractive?
Not really, not really. She's attractive, yes, but I've not got these feelings of having anything around her.
Okay, because from all indication, something is cooking. Yes, even if you claim not to know, but I can sense it. I mean, it doesn't just add up, if you ask me, that she asked all your employees to leave and requesting for a private time to bond with Benita. Something is up.
Yeah, conversation she has hinted towards that, but I'm not ready yet. Nina is still fresh, very fresh in my mind. Just that I'm so curious about Dorcas.
Dorcas? Yeah. Dorcas, the nanny. Why are you curious about her?
Her bond with Benita. Yeah. You know, she perfectly stepped into the role of mother with Benita. And she got healed so fast. And she actually moved on very fast. So I'm so concerned about that. So concerned.
Well, it is very simple if you ask me, and I think she's just very, very wonderful at delivering her job. That's all. Except there is something you want to tell me.
Boy, I'll see you later.
All right now. Drive safe.
Auntie, please take me with you. I want to stay with you.
Don't worry. I go soon come back. I know they stay too long. You hear? I know they stay. I go come. Oh?
Promise me.
I promise you. I dey run. I dey. Not just something I won't go do. I dey come back. Hey, remember that thing why I tell you? Anytime when you dey sleep, fear can't catch you, or you feel say something there around, you do what? Pray. Now what I teach you? You hear? Just pray. I go soon come back. You know.
She'll be back for you. She's right, okay? She'll
My
be back for
own
you
is
soon.
anything where they make you fear, just shout, I am a winner, I am a winner, I am a winner 3 times. The thing will promote. When they come back here, don't be so much.
It's okay. Auntie also has loved ones she wants to go and see. She'll be back soon, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, come on.
Benita, come.
You sure say no be style these people use to pursue us come up for house like this?
I tire. But now Oga gets the final say. Even though I still don't understand why you allow that Sarah to pursue us come off or just discharge us like that. You know, makes sense now.
Nah, him now. Now when she dey start her evil, now she dey say me they discharge us. The time what she go come do when she want clear the coast, that means she go send us to exile.
You know all of this thing. Na Benita na Emma the pity. Even in own mama sister. In mama sister no get good intention where in there. The way why they see as things there, e be like say na only me and her papa na care for am. E be like say na only us get good mind where in there.
You say what? Wetin I come be? Not be me the supper they cook for us since. Why you can't ask like say na you care for the girl past us? You dey carry a matter like say na agege bread when you dey serve.
You no understand. That girl just lose her mama and she gets soft heart. See, I don't care who that Sarah be. If she try me, if she won't see my bad color, may she touch that girl. May she do am anything. May she even look am bad eye. Now that time I go show am wetin I fit do. She dey mad.
My sister, you no get level.
Yeah, forget that thing. I tell that girl say I go dey for am and I must to dey for am. Na so it go dey.
Oh, no verse, you no get level. If you get level, you for stop this thing. So, if you get level, you therefore not send me and you for compulsory off duty.
I no blame you. Now that same level where you no get, now it make you see everything where you go buy in a biscuit where air don't enter. Now you buy, come make you chop. You no get sense.
This is what you.
No, you don't open them.
I won't go back to the woman. Man, go find trouble. You understand? If I go, if I shout, if I tell say, madam, this thing what you do is bad. Follow me, they back me up. Come on, go.
Let us pray. We pray over this food in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Bless it.
What do you all think of my cooking?
You know, the food would have been so great if not for... It's okay.
Dad, this food tastes burnt. Why are you trying to lie to Auntie? This food tastes bad.
Hey, Benita, come on, stop saying that, okay? Your auntie puts too many efforts preparing this food. Okay? You should appreciate that.
I'm unable to eat this food. And I'm hungry. And I miss Auntie Alera and Auntie Dorcas.
Oh, baby girl, you don't have to say that, come. You don't need to miss them, okay? I'm here for you. You know what? Tell me what you want and I'll call a restaurant to get it.
Really?
Yes, of course, you're my baby girl. Tell me what you want. And it's done.
I need jollof rice and chicken.
Okay, done.
Make we take Mago, enter Oga, enter a heart, make I be in wife or Benita mama. I no want do again. Anyhow we fit break, anything we fit break. Anyhow we God want do, me and they okay.
Wait, what did you try to tell me now? Say you throw away the opportunity to become madam of this house tomorrow. So wait, if your destiny now, they don't write and say, you see Dorcas, nani go they do accept forever and ever, you go accept her like that.
As long as say na so God right am, I dey ready. You know the tire. You know they even sleep. See bag full your eye because every night you dey they calculate how you want take a meander inside Oga heart. I beg shift.
God Almighty, I know say you love me. You see this thing when Dorcas talk, I know say no be by her power. Now you initiate and make give up for me. So now so I take on with the battle.
You never see where person, now only him, they do competition against themselves and they still lose. Like during the election, now only you, they, one ballot boss, person no vote you. You never see him. Okay.